Now to answer the most difficult economic question using Gauth AI. Now open the Gauth app. Inside the Gauth, let you reach economics. Here in economics, now there are two ways to answer this question, either by capturing it or by uploading it. Now the first one I will use is to capture it. Now to capture it, click on this capture icon. In case it's night, just click on this light icon here. So you can see, now click on this center icon to capture it. Now crop it, crop the selected area you want like this. Now click on this down arrow icon here. Now wait for it. This is a high top question which I researched and found online, so let me know if this Gauth AI can solve this problem. Wait for it. As you can see, it has solved the problem. You see it, it has answered this question exactly and correctly. Now to upload a question, go back, click on this image icon on the side here. Now select the question you want to upload, click on it. Now crop the area or the section you want it to answer. Now click on this down arrow icon here. Wait for it to answer it. As you can see, it answered it correctly. That's how to answer the most difficult economic question using Gauth AI. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more AI tutorials like this and application guide. If you have any question, leave it on the comment section. I will do so to reply. Watch this video in order to have the full knowledge on how to use Gauth AI. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.